guys, welcome back to Ms.TeesDollroom, and today I am excited to do my review of Barbie Signature Looks number 4, John, the African American male with the braided man bun. He finally made it to my house, even though I had to buy him from another collector, but still in all, I have him and we're going to redress him and see what he looks like. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and open up this doll. Like I said, I am so excited to finally receive the Barbie Signature Looks number 4, Mr. John, African American Chocolate Wonder. I didn't think he'd ever get here. So we're going to go ahead and get him out of this package. I bought this from a doll collecting friend and he mailed him to me deboxed in a padded envelope. So let's get it open. Okay, so John came with his standard COA and stand, and I have that off camera. And my first inspection of him, I just love his African American features, his full lips and nose and everything. And his hair is actually a mixture of brown and black yarn type substance. I do notice that he has some rub marks on the flocking at the nape of his flocking there. And I'm not sure if that's just excess glue, if it was pressed down or what. But since I didn't debox him originally, I'm not really sure what the deal was when he actually came out of the box. I do like his white twill jeans. And it has a like stitching on the side as if there were real pockets, but there are no pockets. And he has like this net mesh tank top here. Sleeveless tank top. So I like that about his fashion, and of course the white tennis shoes there. So it's, you know, you can use this mesh tank top, you know, and mix it with other pieces, just like you can use these white jeans before Labor Day. And I'm just noticing that there's a little nick on his right top of his right ear, but other than that, it looks like he has a little minor lip rub too on his top lip. So, not sure, like I said, I'm not sure if he came that way out of the box or not, since I didn't originally debox him. So let's get him undressed and get him dressed in some other stuff. Okay guys, so we got him out of his outfit, and I just wanted to show you he has articulation at the neck, shoulder, upper body joint from side to side, elbow, wrist, hip, upper thigh, knee, and ankle. So we're going to go ahead and get some things on him. I've been wanting to try some clothes on him. That was the whole purpose of getting these dolls. So the first thing I'm going to try on him is one of the Fashionista fashions. And here we are. I chose this fashion because I like the warm colors. I think would complement his dark chocolate skin tone. It's a very casual look for him. And then we'll work our way up. Oops, well that opened all the way there. There we go. Putting on this little white t-shirt. His little wife beater to go under the jacket. And when they sold this fashion, I don't know why in the world they didn't sell a t-shirt to go under here for him, for your doll, period. But luckily I had some, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But still, why they would sell an outfit without the shirt under it, it's kind of cheap to me. Let's tuck that in. Let's get his jacket on him. And we're going to have to find an earring. I want to pierce his ear. So these colors do complement him. Let's see if we can find him an earring for his ear. Okay, so I found the earring for him. We'll just go ahead and make that hole and put this earring in for him. Gave him a nice little diamond stud there. let's get his shoes on him. And we'll get him on a stand so we can take a look at Mr. John. Okay, so here's John in his fashionista fashion. Nice casual look. I chose it because I love the pumpkin color of the shorts and the gold tones in the jacket to complement his skin tone. I haven't taken his man bun down yet. I pierced his ear. Let's just give him a little spin on the carousel here. And by the way, the Asian petite doll, she should be here on Wednesday, and then I will have a complete collection. Thank you, Jesus. Didn't think it would ever happen. We'll see if we get those extra guys from Amazon that I'm counting on. But that remains to be seen. Alright, so let's get him into something else for another look at John. Barbie Signature Looks number 4. Alright. Just rip this out of the box. No need in being gentle, since we don't care about the box condition on this fashion. There we go. Alright. Well, they sure do put these things in here so you can't get them out easily. So we'll cut off all those little tags. Those little sunglasses. Go ahead and snip that. These are cute, but they're not see-through. Not sure why they make them like that. Okay, we'll get his shorts on him first. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. And they fasten with the Velcro in the back. How about that? He landed on his hands. And we'll get his shirt on it. Here we go. Let's get that Velcro matched up correctly. Turn his collar down. And let's find him some shoes and get him on a stand so we can take a closer look. Alright, so we have him dressed in that fashionista Ken fashion. It's kind of hard to see his black high top Converse, but I love the colors on him, and he's holding his sunglasses. And I still have his man bun up. Let's give him a little spin. He fits the clothes very well. Nice, muscular, yet slim build. Like that on this brother. Alright, all in all, this is a nice fashion on him. So let's get ready and put him in another look. Okay, so our next look is going to be an integrity fashion. It was a Tariq fashion. I think it was an Icon Tariq. And it consists of these leather pants and jacket. And for some reason, I just think this will be a good fit for this guy. It's got this Burberry print tank top. And some of the ribbon is shedding. I've had it for a really long time, but all in all, it has held up pretty well. So let's get this on him so we can see how that looks. And if the leather pants aren't long enough, then we'll put Sean's black leather pants, faux leather pants on him to take place. Alright, and it does have some matching boxes here, so we'll go ahead and slip those on, see if we can get those on under the original pants as the fashion was designed for these to be worn under. So that's how that looks so far. We'll find him some shoes. See if we can get these leather pants on over these boxes. Okay. So have that peeking out. I'm not gonna have him sagging. Alright, so we managed to fasten, and they have like faux pockets there. Has the stitching at the knees. Kind of like construction for real leather pants, so I appreciated the realism in that. Let's get his jacket on him. See if we can manage to do that without too much difficulty. Awesome. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we found him I found him some black athletic shoes that I think goes well. They're all black, and I just want you to know that the zipper on this jacket is a working zipper. See if we can get that to work. It's been years since I played with this fashion. Oh, nope. Didn't get that down in there. We're not going to mess with that because I don't want to tear up the zipper on it. So we're going to leave that alone. Alright. This is a really nice fashion. It is faux leather and it has held up for many, many years. So let's get him on the stand so I can give you guys a look at him. Okay, so here's John in his Icons Tariq Burberry inspired fashion. Leather pants, leather jacket with a zipper. He has the Burberry tank top on. And he has the matching boxer shorts. And he's carrying his leather hat with the Burberry lining in it. Love this look on him. It's a nice looking dude. Haven't decided to take his hair down just yet, but I like this look on him, and I think I'm going to stop right there. This will be his outfit until I find him something else to wear that I like better. But I am so happy to have him, and I can just imagine all the possibilities, things I'll be able to do to his hair. Somebody on Instagram did a fabulous afro on this guy and gave him a mustache and beard. And then I've seen him totally just reflock with a low-cut haircut. I think that was Quit Toying With Me on Instagram, and Delicious Life did him. Made him the Soul Brother #9 with that afro and that beard and mustache. There's some wonderful customizing artists on Instagram, and I get a lot of inspiration from them. But I am just loving this guy, and I hope that my order for 2 more on Amazon comes through in August, since they pushed it back yet again. And I know a lot of you guys are still waiting on your dolls from Mattel and Amazon and Target. And I hope everybody gets the dolls that they want. Eventually I feel like we'll be able to get them, because these will probably have a very high edition. At least I'm hoping they will. But this was my quick and impromptu video on John. Love the sculpt, love his chocolate skin tone, and the fact that he is on that made to move body just puts the icing on the cake. Love, love, love it. And I am so glad to finally have one in my possession. So now I feel like I can wait a little bit. So next, the little Asian petite girl gets here on Wednesday, and I will do my video on that, and that will complete my collection. It's been a long time since I've had a complete collection of any Barbie dolls, so that's quite a feat for me. But we'll get her done and try her on some new clothes, and then I'll do a group shot of all of them together. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, because that really helps my channel. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and doll groups. And check me out on Instagram. And you know, we have 3D printed miniatures and t-shirts on Teespring, and those links are in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop me a line. I'll share whatever I know with you gladly. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I hope you guys have a blessed week. And I'll see you back in the next video. Bye.